Alright, here it is. First time I'm opening it. Fresh out of the Amazon box. See what it looks like. Some mounting brackets, but I won't need them. There's a little pry tool in there. A bezel, as advertised. A manual. Okay. Another manual and more. Oh, there's the camera. Well, I chose it because of the price. The box is not fancy. There's no print on the box. It's just brown. But I guess that's part of the budget. So I'm all about saving $1 if I can get a good product. The last China stereo I bought has worked very well. I still have it. Still using it in a different car. But I got a new car to put this in. And I wanted to try it out. One review said the knobs broke off. I won't know until I really mess with it. We'll hook her up and see how she does.